So guys, this particular broker are giving a lot of people free 200k for them to start trading for free in 2025 without you having to put in any money, without you having to spend a dime of your money. All right, and as you can see, this is it right here on our screen. Just what we will have to do is for us to complete 20 easy steps by uploading stuff. All right, it's not uploading your KYC document, it's just a screenshot. All right, so now as you can see right here on our screen, complete all the 20 steps and upload proof provided Google form. So I'll be showing you how you can upload and what to upload. So the link to claim this bonus will be available in the description of this video and will also be pinned in the comment section. All right, so the first thing you have to do is for you to go to the description of this video or the comment section, click on the link, and you'll be redirected back to this place. So once you are done with that, enter your name, enter your email, and scroll down, and this is the step number 1 that they spoke about the other time. So just click on the link under it, leave a 5-star review, and I will show you how you can leave a 5-star review. So now that we've clicked on the link, it has brought us to this place. All we have to do is for us to scroll down. All right, so this is how you can leave a 5-star review about them. All right, so scroll down, click on got it, still scroll down, and as you can see, this is it. These are the type of star that you can take. Just choose 5-star, and once you're done with that, screenshot it. Make sure you screenshot it and go back to the platform that you want to use to claim this bonus. And to remind you, this bonus is withdrawable. You can be able to withdraw from this Profem account, and their terms and conditions are very simple, very easy for you to apply. Right, so now click on add files, or yeah, upload it. So it's not even up to a minute you are done uploading. So go to the next one, do the same thing, and don't think that the first link that you used the other time is also the same thing as the second one. They are two different links. All right, so don't go and use the screenshot that you used for the first one and you use it for the second one also. It won't work. All right, so don't make this mistake. That is why I'm showing you how you can do it in this video. So once you are done with all of that, just scroll down and click on submit. Now that you are done, once you click on submit, do not forget to enter your surname and your email. All right, so now guys, as you can see right here on my screen, this is my Telegram channel. In here we drop more updates on how to make money online, and there are a lot of withdrawal proofs from my people, from my family. They've been getting their bonuses, and they've been withdrawing back to back. All right, so if you know that you're interested in joining us, all you have to do is for you to go to the description of this video and also the comment section, check out our link, join us, and you'll be getting to make money every day. All right guys, so thank you guys for watching. I love you. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and once you've gotten yours, make sure you let us know by dropping it in the comment section that you've gotten yours. Thank you.